We just had the opportunity to tour the facility, the educational facility with these fine FLEET students, and it's truly inspiring. What is going on here with Surry-Yadkin Works is based on a simple premise, which is how can the community come together to provide real opportunities and post-secondary education to students and to support local businesses grow local talent.
This vision, which will mean that North Carolina will have the very best school system in the entire country, includes ensuring that we prepare all of our students for their next phase in life. That includes thinking outside of the classroom and creating opportunities for hands-on learning.
Being able to give back to these students that maybe didn't have that structure, I think, embodies what Altec's values are, then also that statement of being a good corporate citizen.
The program, I think, is just going to take off. So cutting the ribbon today is symbolic in one sense, and in another sense, it's futuristic because we're really kind of on the edge of a new frontier in public education.
2, 1, there we go.